Okay, be honest with me, Leo. Have you ever stood in front of a gym machine wanting to use it, but you just stood there not saying anything?
Maya, how did you know? Yes, all the time. I just stand there staring at the person on the machine, hoping they'll read my mind and just leave.
That is exactly what we are fixing today. Because here's the thing, gym conversations in English are actually really simple. There are only 3 or 4 phrases you genuinely need to know, but most learners don't know them, so they freeze.
I think you're right. For me, it's not that I don't know the words. I know words like machine and exercise and please, but I don't know how to put them together in a way that sounds normal.
Exactly. That is the problem. You have the vocabulary, but you don't have the formula. And today I am giving you 3 ready-made formulas. By the end of this episode, you will never feel awkward walking up to a stranger at the gym again.
Okay, I'm ready. Hit me with number one.
All right, number 1, you walk into the gym, you see a machine you want to use, but someone is standing right next to it or sitting on it, but not actively using it. Maybe they're on their phone, maybe they're resting between sets. What do you say?
Okay, so my first instinct would be, excuse me, are you using this? Is that okay?
That is understandable. A native speaker will know what you mean, but it's not the most natural way to say it. The phrase that native speakers actually use is this machine taken?
Is this machine taken? Like taken, as in someone has already claimed it?
Exactly right. The word taken here means occupied or in use. So when you say, is this machine taken? You are asking, has someone already claimed this machine? Or is it free for me to use?
Okay, I like that. It's short, it's simple. Is this machine taken?
Yes. And the response you'll get will be one of 2 things. Either the person says, no, go ahead, or they say, yeah, I'm still using it. And if they say, yeah, I'm still using it, then you just say, oh, no problem. How many sets do you have left?
Wait, that's actually phrase number two, isn't it?
You caught me. Yes. How many sets do you have left? Is our second essential phrase. And let me tell you, Leo, this phrase is a lifesaver because it tells the other person 2 things. 1, you are respectful of their workout. And 2, you are not trying to rush them. You are simply asking for information so you can plan your own workout.
Okay, so let me practice. I walk up. I say, is this machine taken? They say, yeah, I'm still using it. Then I say, how many sets do you have left?
Perfect. Now, what do you think sets means here?
A set is a group of repetitions. So if I'm doing bicep curls, one set might be 10 curls, then I rest, then I do another set.
That is exactly right. So when you ask how many sets do you have left, you are asking how many more groups of repetitions do you plan to do before you finish with this machine.
Okay? And what kind of answers will I hear?
The most common answers are just 1 more, or 2 more, or I'm on my last set. And your response is always no rush, take your time.
Take your time. Okay, I'm writing that down because my natural instinct would be to say, okay, hurry up.
Please do not say that. The gym is a community. People respect each other. Saying take your time shows that you are a polite, patient person. And guess what? When you are on that machine and someone asks you the same question, they will also say take your time to you.
Okay, so let me combine both phrases in a real scenario. I walk up to a machine. Someone is resting on it, looking at their phone. I say, excuse me, is this machine taken?
Good. Start with that.
They look up and say, yeah, I've got 2 more sets.
Okay. Good response.
I say, no problem. How many sets do you have left? Wait, I just asked that, but they already told me. I've got 2 more sets.
That is a great point. So if the person already tells you the number of sets, you don't need to ask again. You just say, no problem, take your time. And then you stand nearby or do a different exercise while you wait.
Okay, so the formula is really ask if the machine is taken. If it is, find out how many sets are left. Say, take your time. Wait politely. Got it.
You've got it. Now let's talk about a third situation. This one is a little different. What if you are the one on the machine and you need help? Specifically, you are doing a heavy lift, like bench pressing, and you are worried you might drop the bar on your chest. What do you say?
Oh, this is the one I'm most nervous about because it involves actually talking to a stranger and asking for physical help. My friend told me the phrase is, "Can you watch me?" But I'm not sure if that's right.
Can you watch me? That is close, but a little bit creepy. If you say, "Can you watch me?" to a stranger at the gym, they might think you want them to stare at you while you exercise. That's not quite what you mean.
Oh no. Okay, what should I say instead?
The correct phrase is, "Can you spot me?"
Can you spot me? What does spot mean in this context?
To spot someone means to stand nearby while they lift a heavy weight, ready to help if they cannot complete the lift. The person who helps is called a spotter. So if you say, "Can you spot me?" you are saying, "Can you stand near me and help me if I fail this lift?"
Okay, I love this. So I would walk up to someone who is resting between their own sets and say, "Excuse me, can you spot me?"
Exactly. And you should also add just one set. So the full sentence is, "Excuse me, can you spot me?" Just one set.
That makes them feel better because they know it's quick. They are not committing to 10 minutes of watching me.
Exactly right. Now, there is one more small phrase I want to add. When the person agrees and you finish your set, you say, "Thanks for the spot."
Thanks for the spot. Short, simple, natural.
Yes. And if you are the spotter and the person on the bench says, "Can you spot me?" you can respond with, "Yeah, I got you."
Yeah, I got you. That means yes, I will help you.
Exactly. It's very casual and reassuring.
Okay, Maya. I need to practice all three of these in a real conversation. Can we role play? You be the person at the gym.
I'd love to. Let's do it. I am sitting on a leg press machine, resting between sets. Go ahead.
Okay. Excuse me. Is this machine taken?
Yeah, I'm still using it. I have one more set.
Okay, no problem. Take your time.
Good. That was perfect. Did you feel how natural that was? You didn't say, "How many sets do you have left?" because I already told you. You just acknowledged and waited. Very smooth.
I felt good about that one. Okay, let's do the second scenario. Now I'm the one on the bench press. I need help.
Okay, I'll be a stranger walking by.
Excuse me, can you spot me? Just one set.
Yeah, I got you.
After I finish the set, thanks for the spot.
No problem.
Maya, that is so much easier than I thought it would be.
It really is. And that is the whole point of today's episode. The gym is not a complicated social environment. You just need three phrases used correctly with the right attitude.
Okay, let me review all three. Number one, is this machine taken? Number two, how many sets do you have left, but only if they didn't already tell you? And number three, can you spot me?
You got it. And a bonus fourth phrase, take your time.
Take your time. I love that one. It's so polite.
Now, let me tell you about a common mistake I hear from learners from different language backgrounds.
Oh, I love this part. Is it the mistake I made?
Yes, exactly. Leo, you said, "Can you watch me?" And that is a very common mistake. Spanish speakers, for example, might say, "Can you look at me?" Because in Spanish, the word mirar can be used for both watching and spotting. Chinese speakers sometimes say, "Can you help me look?" Arabic speakers might say, "Can you see me?" All of these are close but not correct.
So the key verb is spot, not watch, not look, not see.
Exactly. Spot is the specific word for this gym action, and once you know it, it's easy.
Okay, so I'm going to walk into the gym tomorrow and try all three of these. Maya, what's the one thing you want me to remember?
The one thing I want you to remember is this: gym conversations are short. They are not deep, philosophical discussions. You do not need perfect grammar. You just need to be clear, polite, and natural. And these three phrases: is this machine taken? How many sets do you have left? And can you spot me? Are all you need.
That is so reassuring.
And here's a little practice challenge for our listeners. Next time you go to the gym, even if you're nervous, try using just one of these phrases. Say, "Is this machine taken?" to someone. That's it, just one phrase, and see what happens. I promise you the response will be friendly and you'll feel so much more confident.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to use "can you spot me?" because that's the one I've always been afraid to say.
Good for you, Leo. And after you use it, come back and tell us how it went. We'd love to hear your story.
I will. All right, Maya, that was incredibly helpful. I actually feel ready for the gym now.
That's the best compliment I can get. All right, everyone, thank you for joining us on Speak Like a Native. If this episode helped you, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next episode. We have a great one coming up tomorrow.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep speaking like a native.